In these lessons of this troubleshooting course, you get to have a lot of fun because you get to use tools like the multimeter and megometer, and you have to figure out what's going wrong with the system. In training mode, you follow logical troubleshooting paths that ask you questions, and you have to give answers based on exploring around the scene and deciding what's the situation you're looking at. As you progress through the questions, you get closer to the root cause of the fault or the problem. You have to look around the scene carefully to get clues or answers, and you're prompted to take measurements to see if the circuits are working properly or not. And based on what you find, you keep going until you get to the end where you figure out the root cause, and then you get to fix it. In the AC side failure set of lessons, for example, there are 7 different types of faults that you're prompted to solve. And in going through each one, you learn different techniques and different methods, different ways of thinking about problem solving, and makes you better at being a detective, basically, and able to solve any field problems that you might run into.
Hey, thanks for watching the training video using Interplay's simulation-based training program. You can keep watching our solar videos by clicking on the link to your left, or stay up to date on our latest solar snacks by subscribing on your right. To learn more about how the STP provides critical team training and helps you build an onboarding program at your company, please go to interplaylearning.com.